Introducing DMARVEL, a vision-based autonomous navigation and collision avoidance system for UAS. In contrast to other solutions that rely on costly sensors, DMARVEL can operate using minimal sensor configurations, such as small UAS having just a monocular camera and powerful yet efficient deep learning models. By taking a single image as input, DMARVEL estimates a depth map from the input and plans a route accordingly. DMARVEL is platform agnostic, meaning that it can be installed on various UAS platforms, therefore avoiding costs related to fleet replacement to enable autonomy. Here we can see DMARVEL autonomously navigating in a heavily wooded area during winter. DMARVEL includes an object recognition module that aids in navigation and target recognition. When command and control is lost, DMARVEL can still be commanded with its natural user interface. With everything housed on board the UAS, DMARVEL is able to operate solely on its own without a ground station connection during RF dark scenarios. Upgrade your UAS today with our cutting-edge modular collision avoidance system.